Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about heterotrophic nutrition. Under this, we'll talk about the holozoic type of nutrition. And in the case of the unicellular organism, that is amoeba. So we are going to discuss how amoeba intake the food and what happened to the food inside that single cell, or we can say how the food is going to digested, absorbed, assimilated and digested. So basically the holozoic type of nutrition is having 5 steps. Undergoing the 5 steps, the organism is capable of taking the nutrients out of that particular food. So let's see what are those 5 steps and how the different steps occur in amoeba cell. As we know, amoeba comes under the protista, which is a single cell organism. Okay, so let's talk about it. In the case of amoeba, as you can see over here, the cell of amoeba is irregular in shape. Okay, and as we know, the single cell organism, they don't have any specific structure, specialized structure to perform various functions, especially in the case of amoeba, because it changes its shapes accordingly. So here, as the irregular shape is C, we know nucleus is present in the cell, okay, and cytoplasm and rest of the organelles are there in the cell. First of all, amoeba is going to sense the food particle to trap it, to take it. So the very first step of the nutrition under the holozoic one is ingestion, that is taking food into the mouth, taking food into the body. We are going to write because they don't have mouth. So what they have? They have the temporary structures which act as a mouth, or we can say act as a hand which going to trap the food. So here the pseudopodia, pseudo means false and podia means feet. A false because temporary they are. So pseudopodia are formed which are going to trap the food particle, and after trapping, that is going to form a structure which is called phagosome or food vacuole. Okay, so this process of taking the solid food into the body is also known as phagocytosis. Okay, this is phagocytosis, a type of endocytosis. So after taking the food, as you can see over here, it is trapped into the food vacuole. So this food vacuole acts as a temporary stomach, because single cell hai, we are just relating the structures. Act as a stomach, and what happens in the stomach? Digestion. So the digestion of the food in the case of amoeba is going to occur in food vacuole. Okay. After the digestion process, what happened in the digestion? The complex form of the food converted into the simple one. So those simpler forms now released or secreted or diffused into the cytoplasmic area. So there the absorption is going to take place. Okay, here the rest of the organelles, they take the nutrients from the digested food. So this is going to occur in the cytoplasm. As it is a unicellular organism, no specific structures. Okay? In the case of human, absorption occur in the small intestine. तो यहाँ पे cytoplasm में ही absorption. Assimilation, utilizing these nutrients, okay, by the different structures in the cell, that is assimilation, and that is also going to occur in the cytoplasm. Whatever the waste which is remain, undigested one, the unused one, that is egested, that is removal of waste. So that egestion is going to occur via pseudopodia again. So 5 basic steps of nutrition: trapping the food via pseudopodia and then forming the food vacuole where the digestion is going to take place. Then after digestion, the nutrients will be going to get absorbed in the cytoplasm, then used by the different organelles, assimilated, and whatever the waste will be there, that will be removed out via pseudopodia. So these are the basic steps of nutrition in amoeba. Thank you.